I can't talk to my kids about money. We've heard this statement from parents more times than we can count. And we work in finance, so we can count pretty high. Many people feel uncomfortable or awkward letting their kids know what things cost or what the family's financial standing is. We even had a counseling session where a father to 2 children told us he would rather talk to his kids about his drug use during college than tell them what his income was. Although it may feel unnecessary and even inappropriate to share your financial details with your kids, this is the time in their lives where they learn how money works, where it comes from, how it gets spent, and what happens if it's used unwisely. Talking to your kids about money is the best way to prepare them for financial responsibilities that they'll face as adults. They aren't learning much in school, if anything, about money. This is your responsibility, and it's your opportunity to shape the kind of person they become. A spender, a saver, someone who stresses about money, perhaps someone who's comfortable speaking with their future spouse about finances and working constantly to improve. You are a big part of determining this right now. The key to talking to your kids about money is just that, to start talking. Start off small and build up to bigger topics. We've created a few tips to bring conversation about money and spending into your family's everyday life. Use this as a stepping stone and keep going. First, while you're grocery shopping, let your children know the individual costs of items that your family uses on a regular basis. They might not understand what they are, but you can put that into perspective. And you can start putting everyday spending in perspective. You can say, buying this item will cost us the amount that I make for 2 hours of work. Do you think it's worth that much? Another thing you can do is when you're dining out, tell your child that they can either have a drink off the menu or they can have water and you'll give them $1 or the cost of another beverage. This is a great way to teach opportunity cost. And this trick can be applied to so many different situations. As you get more comfortable, start bringing your kids into decision-making conversations and friendly debates about how money in your household should be spent. To help you get started on the right path, we offer our children's book, Catherine and Elizabeth Go Shopping, to any consumer who would like it free of charge. It tells the story of 2 sisters, one who loves to spend money as soon as she gets it, and one who thinks about her spending choices more mindfully. Read it to your children and ask them what choices they would make if they were in Catherine or Elizabeth's shoes. Get started now, and you'll raise children who are conscious of how important money is and not afraid to talk about it. This is how you set them on a path for better relationships and stress management where finances are involved.